Hey YouTube, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Joddie Taylor. If you are keen, please like, share, and subscribe. So I recently discovered that I could use my travel cup holder as a tote bag insert. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is my cup holder. It's from a company called Riemot, R-E-I-M-O-T, or maybe it's Remote. And it has a zippered pouch. This is where I usually put my iPad. My iPad without my cover, without the cover. It doesn't fit perfectly. And then I zip it up. 2 cup holders. I usually have a water bottle or tumbler and my snacks. So I had to bring something to my friend, 2 envelopes, and I didn't want to just throw it in my bag. And all of a sudden it occurred to me, like, I have this travel cup holder. I don't travel as much as I want to, so I don't get to use it that much. I've had it over a year and it still looks brand new, right? I think this baby has been to the airport maybe 4 times. Okay, well, that's not bad, but if I had my way, I travel even more. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. This is with the micro hydro flask, and it fits in like really, it's kind of small. This has 6.7 fluid ounces, and I have a hero clip from Gear Aid. This is the mini clip, I think. I talk about this all the time. The hydro flask, this micro hydro flask is probably going to go down as my best buy of 2026. And as of this recording, we're only in February. I love this baby. I use it all the time. So for contrast, I want to show you what this is. A 22-ounce tumbler, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to use something that I paid for regularly. So most days I have it with me on my wheelie bag when I have heavy things to carry. And now I'll be inserting it into tote bags to give it a little bit of structure for tote bags that don't have it. I have a really cute flimsy tote bag that I haven't used because I'm like, I don't want to just throw things in there, but now this will be a bit more organized for days where I'm just taking like my wallet and something to drink. So if you are looking for an alternative to a tote bag insert, I want to recommend repurposing. If you, like me, if you have a cup holder with a trolley, repurposing it for this purpose, especially if you have a zippered pouch. Okay, thank you for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, and share if you're keen. Oh, this pin, it's from Cheery Studios. I'll put a link if it's available on her website, or maybe I'll just link all of her pins. I love her work. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.